How to make money with YouTube. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. The growing creator economy has turned up some diverse ways to make money on YouTube. And while some methods offer a lower barrier to entry than earning through ads, there's no substitute for quality content and an engaged audience. When it comes to making money on YouTube in 2024, the key is to create quality content. This means taking the time to produce videos that are well made and engaging. It also means keeping your audience in mind and catering to their interests. Of course, this is easier said than done. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to produce high-quality content regularly. But it's worth it in the end, as this will set you apart from the competition and help you attract more viewers. Earn with ads as a YouTube Partner Program member. You must join the YouTube Partner Program to earn money from advertisements. And you can't become a YouTube partner until your channel surpasses the 1,000 subscriber threshold. You'll also need a collective 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Check those big boxes and it opens the door to ad revenue. As a YouTube partner, you can earn money through ads, chat features, and from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. The platform also allows YouTube partners to earn ad revenue on Shorts, which are YouTube's version of short-form TikTok-like videos. Influencer Marketing Hub says that while payment varies, the average YouTube channel can expect to make about $18 per 1,000 ad views. That translates to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views when you factor in the rate of ads actually viewed. The site has a YouTube calculator to gauge how much revenue you might make. Take a cut with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing might be the most beginner-friendly way to monetize your YouTube traffic, especially if you plan to make product review videos. While Amazon Associates is a great way to make money on Amazon, endless other opportunities exist. Search on affiliate marketing sites such as ShareASale and ClickBank for possible corporate partners and products to feature. You can also search your favorite brands' websites for information on how to become an affiliate if your channel eventually reaches more than 20,000 subscribers. And you meet other eligibility requirements, you can explore the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program as a way to boost your earnings. Don't forget to properly notify your viewers about your affiliation with the brand or brands featured, and be sure to point them to the link in description when you shoot your video. Land a brand deal and make sponsored content. Companies interested in your channel's audience might sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout-out, called brand deals in the biz. The operative word here is audience, which means these types of deals are more likely to present themselves when you develop a following. As your channel grows, you can contact the brands you'd like to work with directly, or use resources like the aforementioned affiliate marketing sites to find corporate partners that complement your style of content. With brand deals, you can receive lump sum payments, earn commission on a per sale basis, or get the product or service for free. Keep in mind, if you do have an endorsement or use product placement in a video, you must notify YouTube by ticking a box in your video details. Sell some merch. If you have merchandise or offer a service that's relevant to your audience, let them know about it and provide links in your videos. For example, creator Marks Brownlee, of popular tech review channel MKBHD, leaves a link to his own line of t-shirts and accessories in every video he posts. Selling a physical product might require you to buy materials or find a manufacturer, but you can also sell downloadables such as e-books, art prints, or virtual classes. Have a secure payment system in place before you advertise your goods. Incentive to sell, while creating your own products can be a lot harder than pitching those of other companies. You could stand to make more money this way, since you'll keep the bulk of your proceeds as the product owner. Offer memberships. A membership model is another way to monetize viewership. With this method, fans of the channel pay a small subscription fee for perks and an exclusive tier of access. Patreon is a popular third-party membership platform. YouTube has been slowly rolling out its own channel memberships feature. But you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program to be eligible. As always, more viewers can lead to more revenue. Incentives such as one-on-one video chats, private classes, or other perks may entice viewers to become paying members. Invest in higher video quality. Investing in the right equipment is essential for content creators to produce high-quality videos and grow their YouTube income. This includes investing in cameras, tripods, microphones, and lighting to capture the best quality images and audio possible. Cameras should feature advanced optics and resolution capabilities, while tripods should have adjustable legs and be lightweight enough to be easily transported. Content creators should also consider investing in a high-quality microphone that is able to capture clear audio and provide viewers with an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, using the right lighting equipment can help ensure that videos are well lit and properly expose all of the details in each scene. This can make a huge difference in the production value of a video and can be especially helpful for content creators who want to create videos in different environments or with varying levels of light. How much money can you make on YouTube? Breakout YouTube stars with millions of followers stand to make the most money, easily reaching 7 figures. But even lesser known content creators with a modest following can make some solid income on the side, or even full time. According to Forbes, creator Jimmy Donaldson of the hugely popular channel Mr. Beast earned $54 million in 2024, in large part from the 215 million subscribers he's racked up on YouTube. That kind of success is more the exception than the rule. On the more modest side, Chinquanta Cox Smith, a YouTuber focused on print-on-demand content with 11,700 subscribers, brings in about $120,000 in annual revenue, according to Career Ahead, a career-focused educational magazine. Matt Parr, a YouTube sensation who became successful as a teenager with a top 10 list channel and now runs multiple channels including on how to make money on YouTube, tells viewers that the platform's partner program can be a good income-building source. He says he earns $30,000 per month in ad revenue through the program. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.